Hot.
Is it me? Or is it the market?
I think it's the market.
I think it's the market.
Yeah.
The market's hot, people. We are sitting here and watching what's happening in the dynamics, and what we can say is inventory is very low. There are many buyers out there. We're seeing multiple offers, and we're seeing a lot of overbids.
Very competitive right now.
Very competitive. So that's why you have us saying
Right.
the market's hot. Now, why is that?
Right.
Why do we think that is?
Well, we have a couple thoughts on that. So in our last video, we talked about the new tax law that has just come into effect and how that might affect the market. We had a lot of buyers asking us at the beginning of the year if we thought prices were actually going to go down, right? Kind of the opposite of that. What we're actually seeing
They have
again,
not gone down.
due to this low inventory and all this competition, we are seeing prices this spring go up even more than they have been. And again, we're seeing inventory lower than it's been in 4 or 5 years, which is a stretch because it has been low for a long time.
And that's certainly a factor, right?
Right.
That very low inventory with so much demand, it's basic economics.
Right.
There's just not a lot of housing out here.
So one of the things that we think is actually affecting that as far as the tax laws go is you have sellers, people who own their house already, who have bought a home, 5-10 years ago, something like that. They're grandfathered in as far as the tax breaks they're getting, and then as far as the property taxes they're paying as well. And so for a lot of people, they feel like they're either not in a position they can move or in a position that they don't want to actually change that tax basis.
That's right. It also doesn't hurt that the economy in the Bay Area is still very strong. We still have a lot of people making great incomes. And in fact, just to bring a story to you, is we recently represented a buyer. It was a multiple offer situation with 10 offers coming in.
We won that one.
And we won that
did win
one.
that
We
one.
got them in.
Yeah.
And we got it for less than what the buyer was willing to pay for. And it was interesting in that dynamic, when it's a lot of pressure, we had a buyer who was interested in saying, well, I'm willing and able to pay more for a property, but there was really a concern about the appraised value of that property. And this is what a lender has to do. And appraisers only look at sales looking backwards, and it was really a hard thing to justify. So we ended up being a little shyer and got the property anyways. But at the same time, it tells you that there's room for growth as well.
Right.
And so it's another dynamic that really impacts the values of housing in San Francisco.
Right. That's what we're seeing on the ground as we are
Yeah.
in the real estate trenches
It's a little
here.
snapshot
Yeah.
of what's happening.
Yeah.
It could change. Interest rates could go up. Maybe there'll be an impact on that.
Right.
We'll be reporting. But for now, these are the boots on the ground in real estate San Francisco. And
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.